What's up everybody, welcome back. And today, my rank 4 Ascended KNULL is destroying this Alliance Coliseum Corvus. I just needed to spend some time ramping him up, but it's all worth it at the end. The goal was simple, ramp him up by throwing a lot of heavy attacks to inflict those Living Abyss debuffs, and then once we reach around 98 Living Abyss debuffs, launching that SP3 to convert all of them into armor breaks. And within no time, his damage goes insane. Like that Corvus is just melting down. The fight itself is pretty straightforward, but you gotta be careful because it's Corvus. And if you slip up, his crits hit so hard. And it gets worse when you're deep into the fight, because over time his damage goes up. Corvus himself is not a big problem. However, there are a couple of things you need to take care of. One is that soul barb timer. Man, you do not want to have that on you. So the thing is, every time Corvus Glaive uses a special attack, there's a soul barb timer started. Before that timer expires, you either need to use your heavy attack or else use a special attack to inflict a soul barb on Corvus Glaive. If you fail to do that, you will get that soul barb on you. At the start of the fight, it might not do much damage to you, but over time, that soul barb will deal a ton of damage to you. So you gotta be careful with that. And then the other one starts after 5 health bars, which is a sleep timer. There will be a random prompt you need to complete before the timer expires, either hitting with 5 light attacks or 3 medium attacks. You can't differentiate with the icons. If it's about medium, you will see an M. If it's about light attacks, then you will see yell. But that sleep is so annoying. If you get that sleep, you will be killed instantly with that insane damage that Corvus can deal. And those are the most important things that you need to be careful about. But other than that, this fight is so straightforward. But for me, KNULL was just an absolute monster for this fight. If you can manage those two things, he can absolutely melt this guy. With all those armor breaks, that damage goes ridiculously high. And I keep spamming SP1s. So for me, it was KNULL. Which champion did you use for your run and who was your best? Let me know down in the comment section. I didn't have other best options, so KNULL was crazy for my run. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one.